Hi everyone, welcome back for another video, and today in this video I'm going to be discussing what my top three investments are, crypto investments, because someone put the question to me. I can't seem to find the comment. I do apologize, it's buried within a lot of comments that have just come through, but yeah, they wanted to know what my personal top three investments that I've invested into. So before I dive into this, I must let you know these are just my own personal opinions on this market and what I personally think are the best investments are for me. So please always do your own research before investing any money into this crypto, okay? But yeah, if you are new watching, please do give it a like and subscribe. As you can see here, I've got loads of different videos that may spark your interest, and we talk about all different kind of coins and stuff, work at the gains and how much realistic gains we can see of certain coins and stuff. So yeah, let me dive into this, okay? My first actual big holding, well, one of the main holdings is Bitcoin, and it's mad because when someone says to you, okay, well, why, well, it's very hard to sort of explain to someone why you want to invest in a certain project. But obviously Bitcoin has been around for 10 years, as we all know, or a bit longer now, coming up to 11 years in it, almost 2010 to 21, almost 11 years. But yeah, like obviously it's got so much adoption, and obviously so many institutions are looking to buy more Bitcoin. I think there's already a Grayscale that's buying up a lot of crypto at the moment as well, and well, more than what's being mined. So what I'm trying to get at is that it's been heavily adopted and a lot of people are interested in Bitcoin. So I kind of try to follow the market. I follow where the money is going, and if a lot of billionaires and millionaires are investing in something, then maybe that's where we should be looking. But again, it's not investment advice to you, it's just my personal opinion. So that's the reason why I invested into a Bitcoin. And just to, if there's any newcomers or people that are invested, just to give you a little idea on something, because if we're going to use the average price, right, and I'm going to call it £1,000, I always call £1,000 an average price, because that's probably what the average person could possibly afford, right? So if you had £1,000 today and you wanted to buy Bitcoin, actually I think we do it at the price it is. Hold on, let's do it. Hold on, because I'm trying to give you a realistic price of what you'll get. Let me see if it works like this. 8648. Let's just see. Yeah, so if you was to buy Bitcoin today and you had £1,000 and you wanted to make an investment, you would get 0.0115. That's basically a tenth of a Bitcoin. So that a lot of people, when they invest into crypto, I don't know why, and I've done it myself, but we always feel like we need to have like at least one whole of a coin, or thousands of coins or something like that. But you don't actually need to. This could be a solid investment for someone, because again, a tenth of a Bitcoin might not sound like a lot to some people, but who knows, if Bitcoin hits these, what people are guessing, 50,000 marks and 100,000, 2 to 300,000, these, what is this, 10 million Satoshis now becomes a dominant thing. We just don't know what's going to happen in the future. We might see a world where people are pricing things in Satoshis. Go and buy an apple for like 100 Satoshis. If you've got 10 million Satoshis, that now puts you in a dominant position. So that's one of the reasons why I invested into Bitcoin. I'm not going to dive deep into what it can do and why people blah 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 blah. If you are into Bitcoin and you're a big fan of it, drop some comments yourself. Let other people know why they should invest as well. But these are just my personal opinions as to why I've done it. Again, following where the money is going, it's a really important thing in any market, like whether it's crypto, whether it's the standard stock market. Look at what big players are doing, and this is what they're doing. They're buying Bitcoin. So if you haven't got any, maybe my little advice to you was maybe just get some, because some is better than none, And yeah, so my second one I'm going to go for, and these are not in any particular order, by the way, I'm just showing you my top three investments, because that's what this was about. So they wanted to know my top three holdings, and this is the next one, XRP. It sounds very like cliche, the least to say, he's got XRP, he's got Bitcoin. Well, XRP has obviously performed really well over the last few years. And I'm not talking price. I'm talking about in the way of adoption. I'm not going to dive too deep into it. Everyone knows what XRP is about, and the banks that it's managed to get on board, and so that's partly the reason why I invested into XRP. And I know it's sort of like a centralized type coin, but because it has so much banks and people involved, that's what makes me say, okay, well, maybe I need to put some money into this, because if it does fly to these numbers that people are claiming, then we could be in for a little bit of a profit. So, but again, just to show you now, it's 19 pence. I should have done this in dollars, really, shouldn't I? What did I do for Bitcoin? Let me just quickly run back, because I know there's people in America watching, and I want to make it really clear what it is for people in America. So let me just grab up this here, right? Because £1,000, let's just do it in dollars. What was £1,000? So you would have had to have invested $1,304 to get a tenth of a Bitcoin, or just over a tenth, 0.115. Okay, I just wanted to make that clear so anyone watching, you understand. Just over $1,000. Okay, and I'm going to stick with this because the 1,000 British pounds is obviously because I'm British. Okay, and then we'll look at the 1,000 what you'd have to invest. So yeah, if you went into XRP now and you wanted to invest £1,000 today, again $1,300, £1,000 today. Sorry, my mic. And you divide that by the price of what Bitcoin is today, which is 0.19 pence. Okay, you would get a total of 5,263 coins. So yeah, I mean, and if it hits the highs of, even if it hit its all-time high, I've done this before in my other videos, I'll just quickly run you through. If it hits its all-time high, you're looking at a 10x 15x gain easily. I'm pretty sure that's what I worked out. Let's just have a look at its all-time high real quickly, if it decides to load. Okay, so yeah, its all-time high was £2.91. This is changing every single day. £2.91. So if you took your 5,000 coins and then you times that by £2.91, because obviously you buy them at 19 pence and you sell them at £2.91 each, that's 15 grand. For some people that's good money. So I'm just giving an example as to what kind of money you could realistically make now, on top of why I'm investing into it. But I'm long term, guys. I really believe that XRP can hit substantial prices, and I put it in my videos before as to what kind of highs I can see XRP. So if you're interested in that, I'm going to put a little bubble up here and you can click that, and that will just kind of show how high I believe XRP can realistically go based on the prices that we see and the money that's been in the market before. Okay, so check that one out. But yeah, not going to waste too much time now. My third and obviously final top holding, because they wanted to know the top three, is Cardano. And the reason I've invested into Cardano is because I was very interested in the staking feature, and obviously I'm into, I'm all about making money, and if you can have an investment that just by holding it's going to go, and on top of holding it you can make a passive income just by staking it, then for me that's a win. That's a no-brainer situation. And I know there's so many other coins out there like the Tezos and all these other coins that are offering the staking opportunity, and maybe we should all take up on them, because again, like when you have money in your bank and you put your £1,000 in your bank, you're not making much interest on that at all. So for the sake of putting that money into something like a project like this, which offers staking, and then you can take in a good return back, and I think I showed you guys before how much I've got I'm gonna put a bubble here again so you can see my staking video, but I'm gonna quickly open up the staking rewards, because I just want to quickly show you based on £1,000. Okay, staking ADA reward calculator. Just trying to type it in quick, because I want to show you like a rough ballpark figure of how much Cardano you can get for £1,000. We'll do that now real quick. So you had £1,000, and again, what's that in dollars is $1,304. Remember that, okay? £1,000 and you divide that by Cardano's price today, you know, how many coins can we get? So 0.079 I'm gonna do, just to be a bit more precise. You get 12,658 coins, okay, ADA. Now you imagine you take this ADA, let's put it into the staking reward, and I think this is just based on like a 6% ROI. ROI means return on investment over the year, right? So, and I've put a staking video up which you can check. Yeah, that you would basically make over the year, per year, 522 coins. You can almost call it 523 coins because it's like 22.9. So let's just say 523 coins a year. Yeah. Now look, if you took this, right, and again, it's just based off of £1,000. Yeah, because some people might have more money to invest into this, but just based on, and that's at the worst as well, because you got a best case scenario and a worst case, but at the worst, you're looking at 522 coins that you're making, just free coins that they're giving you every year. Okay, so obviously it says it there what it is a month, roughly 43, but I just want to make sure it is accurate. 522.9. and divide that by 12, because obviously there's 12 months. 43.58 that says. This one says 43.57. But yeah, 43 coins. It's almost like an extra like £45 a month that you'd be getting. So, and that might not sound like a lot for someone. Yeah, but what I'm saying is that if you had your money in a bank, you wouldn't be getting £45 a month. You wouldn't be getting those £45 a month, and that's obviously based on it hitting the ballpark figure of £1, because we don't know. Cardano could go higher, and I have a reason to believe it can go higher. I believe Cardano can go to like, you know, £5, and what's £5 in US dollars? We're looking at $6.5 Cardano price. So yeah, you know, and if it goes to £5, you know, you then multiply that figure here, what a month, by 5, because you know that's the sort of numbers you're seeing, £200 a month. So you know, this is one of the reasons why I really wanted to sort of invest into Cardano, because of the staking side of things, and I really believe that it's good to have something that brings in a passive income that generates money for us. So yeah, that's pretty much what this channel was this video was about, really. Sort of showing you my top 3 holdings, what I believe can be a solid investment. And yeah, if this has helped you, please do drop a like and make sure you do subscribe. And if there's anything that you would like me to do in a video, like talk about any particular coin, I'd be happy to do that. Jot some comments, let me know. Also let me know what you think on these projects as well. What are you holding? Are you holding these coins? Because I think they're all, you know, solid firm holdings, like firm projects. And yeah, just let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.